I made this music video using 100% AI, and you can too, even with zero editing skills. Let's watch.
AirPods in with dreams on repeat. Black girl in the ends world on my back, but I never let the system make me crack. I rise, I glow, I bend.
These 6 tools can help you turn an idea in your head into a ready-made AI music video, whether it's for a client or for your faceless YouTube music channel. All you need is ChatGPT. All you need is Design, which is an image generation platform, Suno AI, which is where we're going to do our music, and Canva. Let's be real, we can't go wrong with Canva. And Klingai AI is what we'll be using for video generation. We'll also be using CapCut. Now, some people prefer Final Cut Pro or DaVinci. I use CapCut because I have got zero editing skills, yeah? So if I can create AI music video, you can too. So let's start with ChatGPT. When you are creating an AI music video, you need to start with a project. Name your project, because in ChatGPT, a named project stores the memory of everything you've put into it. This makes it easier to organize and to create different chats within the same project. So I already got a project set up for my Afro swing song, but I'm here to just show you how it goes. So now we're going to begin with step 1. You need a song. Think about the genre you want your lyrics to come from. Is it rock, pop, Motown? I decided to create a 2-minute Afro swing song. Short and catchy. I love Afrobeat and I love grime, so I went for a fusion. And I wanted the story to be a black woman in her 30s, raised in South London. That's important to me. Because I work with black women and help them generate income online, that's my audience. So it makes sense that the black women who are done with the corporate plantation, who are ready to learn how to earn from their own skills and expertise, I create a song about being a black woman in her 30s. So I've put like cultural references I want to include that will speak directly to the audience. I asked ChatGPT for 2 full verses, a repeated hook, to keep it catchy and spunky. And I asked for the final output to be formatted for Suno AI prompt. So that way, all I have to do is copy and paste it into Suno AI.
A few moments later.
And here you go. These are the lyrics. Look at an example of how it turned out. South London breeze in my braids. Mum's voice loud through council estate. I love this. So once your lyrics are ready, we're going to copy and paste them. And we're going to head over now to Suno AI. Step 2 is Suno AI, where we can literally create original music with AI and commercialize it. That means you can publish your track on all major streaming platforms. So when you head over back to ChatGPT, you copy and paste the lyrics, you paste it here, and you also paste the prompt of the style and genre of music that you would like. Make sure it's on version 4.5, which produces the best quality songs. You hit create and it will generate 2 options for you. If you are not a fan of it, you can generate as many as you like until you are satisfied with the song. Then once you're happy with it, you hit these 3 buttons here, you download as MP3, then you're going to put that into CapCut. Then what we do is you want to generate images for your song, right? So I have chosen for this AI music video design, and in the next video, I can show you how to generate and create consistent characters using this platform. But there are other platforms as well, like Midjourney, ChatGPT, that you can use, and I can show you on other videos as well. So put in the chat what you would like to see from me, and I can create those tutorials for you. So I created Shanice here, and I created all of these different scenes. Yeah. She's a young adult female with dark skin and long wavy hair wearing a white shirt. Make sure it is 2D. Make sure it is a 2D character that you give her, and then generate as many images as you feel necessary to express the style of the music video. You also want to kind of keep it consistent, right? Because you're trying to keep it to a consistent, stylized AI music video. Yeah. So once you do that, when you generate all of the pictures, you download them, you upload them to Canva, and you upscale it so the quality is better, right? So when we make the videos, we're making the videos based on the highest quality images. Then when we have done that, we upload them to Klingai AI. Again, there are different platforms that you can use, but I prefer Klingai AI. That's one of the best platforms, but I can do another tutorial for you to show you the different video generation platforms out there. So what you do, and this is a free tip to make sure your prompt for Klingai AI is perfect and you get the exact video you want, because Klingai AI is one of the most expensive video generating platforms out there. So you don't want to be wasting your credits willy-nilly, yeah? So one of the things that I do is that when I download the picture from Canva, I upload it to ChatGPT and I ask it to create a prompt based on the reference image attached. So it literally describes the picture for you and exactly what it is you're looking for. If you want it to be zoomed, if you want it to be panned, the type of video camera movements you want to see in your music video. Then you paste it here, you paste a negative prompt, essentially what you don't want to see. You don't want to see distortions, you don't want to see warping, etc., etc. Then once you hit generate, it will come if you want 5 seconds or if you want 10 seconds. Now, for the lip sync videos, I made 10 seconds. But for the overlays, I made it 5 seconds, right? We don't have to be using 10-second overlays out here. We want to save our credits. So you can see the amount of images I generated and are also lip synced. Then once you have created your videos on Klingai AI, you're going to download it into CapCut. And this is where the magic happens. So before you download everything into CapCut, what you have to do is you have to trim this audio down. That's why you want to make it 2 minutes. You don't want to make it too long. You want to trim this audio down and you want to make sure that you cut 9 seconds, so just under 10 seconds for each clip. So you split, and then you export it as an audio, and then you upload it into Klingai AI in their lip sync, right? So you literally just select lip sync and then you upload it, and then it will lip sync the picture as long as there's a person looking at the camera. If not, it will not be able to generate a lip sync. So if something like this cannot be generated a lip sync, because there's no person looking at the camera. So here's the completed music video I generated with AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
South London breeze in my braids, mom's voice loud through council estate. Chicken on a stove, school books on the side. That said work twice just to stay in stride. Shadows on the block, I learned to walk proud. Skin like gold, but they see it as loud. Teacher said you're smart, but tone it down. But I knew I wore an unshakable crown. I'm the rhythm of the bus ride beat. AirPods in with dreams on repeat. Black girl in the ends, world on my back. But I never let the system make me crack. I rise, I glow, I bend, I flow. From Peckham nights to Notting Hill shows. Born in the struggle, but blessed in my soul. Black British queen, I define my own role. Coconut oil and acrylic dreams. Corner shop sweets and carnival scenes. Aunties preaching, hold your head high, even when the world don't see you eye to eye. They call it attitude, I call it pride. Raised on rhythm, never let it slide. From Windrush roots to this concrete ground, I carry legacies in every sound. I'm the rhythm of the bus ride beat. AirPods in with dreams on repeat. Black girl in the ends, world on my back. But I never let the system make me crack. I rise, I glow, I bend, I flow. From Peckham nights to Notting Hill shows. Born in the struggle, but blessed in my soul. Black British queen, I define my own role. This is for every black girl who was told she was too much. Too loud, too dark, too bold, too tough. Nah, We're just enough, and we rise.
If you learned anything from this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell notification to never miss an upload.